A special meeting of the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation came to an early end after attempts by People's National Party councillors to move a no-confidence motion were rejected. TVJ's Janella Pursues has details.
A packed house at the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation where fireworks were expected. Instead, an early adjournment. In fact, the meeting lasted under 10 minutes. It was called by PNP councillors. They were attempting to move a no-confidence motion against former Mayor Lenworth Rawle and the man who now sits in the mayoral chair, Michael Hugh. Mr. Rawle quit as chairman of the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation last week. No sooner was Michael Hugh, who was the deputy mayor, promoted to the post of mayor by local government minister Desmond McKenzie. Mr. McKenzie, in a release last week, said the appointment was in keeping with Section 19 of the Local Government Act. Minority Leader Hubert Williams, in moving the no-confidence motion, asked for an amendment to be made. His request, though, was shut down because of a technicality.
Because you only have 4 and you're in the minority today, you're trying to use delay tactics. But I can tell you, even if you run today, I will catch you. You will be the shortest mayor of Marant Bay.
On Section 19 of the Local Government Act, that where a mayor has resigned, the deputy forthwith assumed that role.
And we don't disagree with that. You are the mayor.
Yes. Therefore, there is no basis on which this resolution can go ahead. And in that saying, there is no basis here for the resolution anymore. If you so wish, you have the opportunity to table a different resolution at a different time. That is your right.
The meeting was adjourned. The mayor was in no talking mood after and left. The minority leader had more to say, though.
This type of behavior is very dangerous when we think about our democracy. We should always try to protect our democratic process. And this is another time we see another move from the Jamaica Labour Party where they do anything to maintain power.
Opposition spokesman and local government had concerns of her own. Angela Brown-Burke says the conduct of the CEO of the municipal corporation, Judith Lawrence, is questionable.
What concerns me, though, is that the CEO, who is supposed to be the professional in all of this, I believe, showed her colors today. And it is always, always, always disappointing when professionals join the politicians in the politics, because the CEO's responsibility is to make sure that the rules are followed regardless of who it favors in terms of political party.
The St. Thomas Municipal Corporation continues to run without a deputy mayor. Janella Pursues, TVJ News.